Whoa, who's Little Mama? Who's Little Mama? I don't know. No, you found her, guys. I'm Little Mama. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama. And thank you for coming to my channel today, because this video, I'm going to show you who I am and how I've been making money online as a stay-at-home mom, okay? So if you've been wanting to learn how to make money online, this is definitely a video for you, because if you want to follow my footsteps, that means that I get to help you in your online journey. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, so here I am on my slideshow. I'm going to tell you how I make money as a stay-at-home mom. Alright, so I am a wife and a mom of 2 girls and 2 dogs, and I make money online. And my favorite way to make money online actually is affiliate marketing. Now, I say this because I have tried other methods before, and just quickly, anything easy and quick like surveys and those types of sites only makes you very little money, okay? Any quick and easy method like that is not going to do any good for you in the long run. So that's why I like building an online business. So that's what affiliate marketing can do for me. It allows you to build an online business that can actually earn you passive online income. So I want to show you a little bit more about affiliate marketing. So what is it? It is really the process of earning a commission from promoting other people's products. And brands and companies offer affiliate programs that pay you to promote their products and services. So people like Target, Amazon, Apple, Nike, any big brands that you can think of will have pretty much an affiliate program out there for you to join and promote their products and services. And affiliate marketing therefore kind of creates a win-win-win situation. So there's 3 parties involved, right? So the customer's gonna get what they were looking for, a solution to their problems. So as an affiliate marketer, that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to give people a solution to their problems, because that's how you convert them into buyers. Now, the brand and company makes a sale without any upfront advertising spend, because these guys will not need to spend on any advertising or marketing until you would generate a sale for them. So they don't have to pay you until you actually give them results. So it's a win for the company as well, right? So far it's a win for a customer, win for the company, and then it's going to be a win for you, because you're going to earn commission once you generate that sale for that company that you want to promote. So that's kind of what it is. And so how it works, or how the process works, is that you need to, before you get into it, you need to kind of pick a niche, like kind of pick a theme, an industry, or a topic that you want to go into, okay? So you could just pick a niche, like if you want to do pets, or if you want to do cooking, if you want to do travel, if you want to do race cars, or whatever it may be. There are basically any topic that you want to go into, you can. But the most popular or the most evergreen niches are the wealth, health, and relationships niches. So if you choose something deep inside of those, but you got to really narrow it down if you pick those 3, because they're very competitive niches. And if you want to kind of make money in those niches, you need to kind of specialize in something and narrow your niche down, okay? So next thing you need to do is build a website. Now, don't freak out yet, because you can literally make a website in less than a minute, okay, with the platform that I'm going to show you. Where the work comes in is after you create the website. So once it's live on the internet, then that's when the work comes in, and you kind of build it out. And you need to build out a certain way so that it can attract its own visitors. So that's what the website will do for you. It'll collect all these visitors from the internet, so that you can tell them about the solution that you have for them as they're searching the internet, okay? And once they take your recommendation for the solution that they're looking for, then you make a commission and you make money, okay? So that's the process of how affiliate marketing works. So let's say anybody like you or me, when I need to go look for something, I always search stuff on Google, right? I mean, if you want to buy something or find a solution to a problem, you always go on the internet to go search for something. And so that's what they do, right? They go on Google, Yahoo, or Bing to search for a solution. So when they are searching and you have a website, then your website could get ranked on these search engines, and that searcher can see your website on the first page of their search results. And as they go down and they click on your website, they'll read about your website, and maybe you are giving them the solution, where they can find the solution, all this stuff, and they really like what you're recommending. Then they'll click the link that you tell them to go click so that they can go buy that product. And then when they go actually buy it, you make money. That's how the whole process works. So that's why a website is very important. And that's why you need to build an online asset, guys, okay? And I've been preaching this all over, that you need to build an online asset. A website is actually only one online asset that you can build. There's other ones that you can build, like a YouTube channel you can build. That's an online asset as well, but it's not an asset that you really own, so you can't really call it an asset for you because YouTube owns it and they can shut you down. But not a website, because a website, you own the website and nobody can shut you down in that sense, right? You could always have a website. So how you can succeed in this is by working hard, being consistent in your work, be patient, and get training and get a mentor. So these last 2 points are what I'm going to show you right now, okay? So where you're going to get started, you're going to get started with this link right here, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. And I'm going to link it in this corner as well. So if you're on desktop or laptop, you can just click it right there. I think on mobile, it'll come on the front. Anyway, that's the link that you need, and I'm going to show you where that leads to. That link leads to this page, Wealthy Affiliate. This is the training platform that I've been using since 2016 for my online business. Okay, so if you use that link, you will see that I have my picture on here on their website. So if you don't use my link, you won't see my face on here. And if you don't see my face on here, then so sad for you, because you won't get me as your mentor and you won't get my bonuses, and you may want my bonuses. Okay, so on this platform, once you get here and you see my face, then you're cool. Then you put your address in here and you can sign up for free, guys. Okay, no credit card required. And you click get started and you get on the platform, and I'm going to show you inside right now what it looks like. So when you get to the platform, you can actually come up here and look for Littlemama here, okay? And you can click here, you can click that and come to this page. This is me, okay? I joined here 2016 in September, and I've been here in 2018. That's when I reached super affiliate status on here as well. So I've been on here for a while and I've reached some kind of success here, and so I also now bring other people in here so I can help them to do the same thing and make money this way, because it's working for me, okay? And you see up here on my blog, I have 148 blogs up here, and what you can do is check it out, because this is going to show you all my income proof and how my online business has been throughout my entire journey, guys, okay? I have documented my entire journey since 2016, and you could actually scroll all the way down to my very first post, which I don't know if I have time to do that right now, and I'm not sure if you guys would appreciate me going all the way down, but I have 100-something posts, so if you really want to, you could check it out and see how my online business has built and how long it has been and so forth. And you can learn the lessons that I've put in these posts, because these posts have a lot of golden nuggets in it, because I want you to learn from my mistakes and don't make the same mistakes. So if you are going to be learning from me, I really highly appreciate it if you read all these posts that I have, so you can learn from my mistakes and not make the same one, and you could accelerate your learning from just reading my posts in here, guys, okay? So this is the training I wanted to show you right here, okay? Once you come in here, you're going to click on the left side. This is the training, this online entrepreneur certification. It has 5 levels, 5 courses, and 50 lessons, okay? So each level has 10 lessons in it, and you want to learn from every single one. Going through the training is absolutely essential, because this is exactly what you need to learn to build out your website, okay? You need to build it out in a certain way so that it attracts its own visitors, okay? And that's how you could get found on search engines and get ranked, okay? So you need to learn the process, the method, the strategy, which is all laid out step by step, guys. And there is so much help here, okay? You could get live chat, okay? You could get live chat from people that's on the platform, and there are live events every single Friday here. You see this? Every single Friday, there's a live webinar that you could join to learn more things. And one of the best things about Wealthy Affiliate is that they have tons of help, guys, okay? You have technical help, so they have technical help for you. They will help you with the website if you have any technical questions. But then the community inside Wealthy Affiliate is incredible. They have passed over 2 million members that have touched this platform. And so you can actually ask the community here, ask a question, so you could get opinions from a lot of different people, or you could do private messaging for one-on-one coaching. So you could private message me, okay? Or you could do live chat like I told you. And these are the owners right here that you could also have access to if you go premium, okay? So like I was telling you earlier, you could get on for free, but really when you get on for free, you're going to have limited access to this platform, of course. So you don't really want to stay free for that long. Come free and check it out, see if you like it. If you like it, then upgrade to premium. And premium is really not that expensive at all compared to those thousands of dollar courses out there. This is only $49 a month, guys, okay? And if you use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, your first month could be $19 only. So check it out, guys, okay? This is a real way for you to make some real online income that you can depend on, and choose a topic that you love doing. So I really would love to help you in your near future. I really want to help you in your journey. So sign up with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I cannot wait to see you on the platform and helping you in the near future. So I hope you've liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can learn more things about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come out with videos every single week, but I don't know when they come out, so get notified, okay, guys? So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.